today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gradient text effect using GIMP. If you're looking to add some special flair to your text for a graphic design project, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you understand each part and can replicate it anytime you need. First things first, you'll need to open GIMP on your computer. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a free and open source image editor that's perfect for customizing graphics. If you don't already have it, you might want to download and install it first. Once it's up and running, you'll want to create a new project or open the existing one where you intend to apply this gradient text effect. Make sure you set your document parameters, like size and resolution, according to your project's needs. With your canvas ready, the next step is to insert your text. Navigate to the toolbox, usually positioned to the left of your screen, and select the text tool, represented by a capital A. Click on your canvas where you want the text to appear and begin typing. Adjust the font, size, and color to your preference. Remember, the initial color of the text doesn't matter too much, as you'll be applying a gradient over it. Once you've got your text the way you like it, it's time to prepare it for the gradient. Head over to your Layers panel, typically found on the right side. Find the layer containing your text. Now, carefully right-click this layer, and from the context menu, select Alpha to Selection. This creates a selection around the text, essentially isolating it and preparing it to receive the gradient. Now we're on to the fun part, applying the gradient. Go back to the toolbox and select the gradient tool. Before you begin dragging the gradient across your text, you want to check the tool options, likely located just under the toolbox itself. Ensure that the gradient is set to FG to BG RGB, which stands for foreground to background in RGB color mode. Additionally, set the shape to linear. This configuration will provide a smooth, linear blend from the foreground color to the background color across your text. With your settings in place, left-click and drag your cursor across the text. You can drag from top to bottom, side to side, or even diagonally, depending on the specific look you're aiming for. As you release the click, the gradient effect should neatly appear over your text. You can experiment with dragging in different directions or distances to see how it changes the look. And just like that, you're done. You now have a beautifully gradient-styled text in your GIMP project. Feel free to deselect the text by going to Select and then None to get a real sense of how the gradient integrates with the rest of your design. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for all your creative projects. Thanks for watching.